With regard to what's happening here with bank deregulation, it looks like some of you, I read through the comments, don't want the banks to be regulated at all. Okay, so for those of you that think that banks, here's another question. Okay, you got to let me know about that one. With regard to banks, I personally don't believe the banks have our best interest. I really believe that these are predatory institutions. What happened over the weekend with Elon Musk and Andreessen here, the tag team, getting rid of that institution for the most part. The banks are loving this. There's no doubt about it. Deregulation will allow them to do anything they want with your cash. I mean, for those of you who said Greg doesn't, believe me, I saw not thousands, hundreds of comments. Greg doesn't know what he's talking about. Banks need to be deregulated. Are these bankers? Who are you people that are telling me that? Because you think they have your best interest, they're on your side, they won't come after everything you have. You take out a loan on XYZ, you skip a couple of payments, they're just going to say, okay, don't worry about it. No, they're going to come and confiscate everything you have. They're not on your side here. And they're predatory. You don't read the fine print. No one does. And they know you don't. They take advantage of you. I don't think that it's in the people's best interest that these financial institutions, yes, from BlackRock on down, should be allowed to run amok with our cash. I don't think you should have any cash in these institutions. Only what you are forced to transact in, not pennies anymore, because it costs too much, because inflation, it's all about inflation, man. Trump can't tell you that. He won't tell you that. There's no way he can tell you that. Again, because he knows for a fact. Let me tell you something about President Trump, all right? He's not stupid. I know a lot of you think he is. He's not. And he actually admitted that it wasn't Biden's fault through the whole campaign. Whose fault was it? Whose fault was inflation? It was Biden, right? It was Biden's policy, right? Then all of a sudden it wasn't. Now it's the Fed. But how do we fix that? By lowering rates, which he was demanding. Now they're all friendly now because, again, what happened? Waltard was floated out and said, don't worry, we're going to be cutting rates. And even if they don't cut rates, they're going to be buying more debt. You're going to see the 10-year yield. It's stabilizing right now. The market might get used to it there. I don't know.